What is need-based communication? Need-based communication means teaching a child to express their basic wants and needs in a simple, understandable way, like asking for food, asking for water, help, play, or even rest. It's not about full sentences, it's about helping your child communicate the most important things in the easiest way possible, through gestures, visuals, words, or even signs. Children with autism may face challenges with speech, language, or social interaction. When they can't express their needs clearly, it often leads to frustration, meltdown, or crying, throwing things, and sometimes withdrawal or even shutting down. With this need-based communication module, your child will learn to express themselves clearly, feel understood, reduce frustration, gain confidence, and will become more independent. So good luck and let's get going.